spend about a minute each on each category to help you understand what I'm talking about. But ideally divide your entire goal sheet in 4 to 5 categories. Now number 1, which is I mentioned, which is a career category. Now I firmly believe this is that the career is the most important part of anyone's life. Why? Because if your career is not sorted, any other aspect of your life you wouldn't be happy enough, because you're constantly pressurized or you're constantly thinking less of yourself, that you're not doing good enough in your career. So I believe that the career category in your written goal sheet should be the most important, and you should be extremely specific of where do you want to be in 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, year and 5 years of time. So lay a lot of importance of your career category. It needs to be the most coherent, the most clear, and spend the most amount of time in that. So that's number 1. Number 2, like I mentioned, is fitness category. Now, a lot of people I know don't exercise in India. क्यों नहीं करते यार? करा करो यार. Fitness is important, because if you're fit mentally, if you're fit physically, it allows yourself to do whatever you want in your career, because it gives you the requisite energy that you need to always be pumped up, to always be energetic, and it just makes you feel good. You can wear any clothes that you want and it's just good. So now the third category is the family and finances category. Now this is an interesting one for me, because I firmly believe this is that pre-COVID, before this COVID struck, everybody thought that they don't spend enough time with their parents, their siblings, their spouses, and COVID has allowed us to spend that time. But I also know that humans are funny species. The moment everything will be back to normal, they will still pine for that time. So in the family category, write down your family goals of maybe the time that you want to spend with your parents, the things that you would want to do with your kids or with your siblings, anything which is related to family or family goals, and they should also be extremely specific. You need to write that down. And I've added finances along with family is because a lot of people don't know what their financial situation is. Either they are in too much of debt or they don't know where their money goes away. I think you need to be extremely specific about your finances, and you have a lot of time right now to learn about investment, maybe to learn about different aspects of finances. And I made a complete video on this. I think that was my second or the third video about personal finances. So your finances need to be extremely clear. Now the last one which I mentioned, which I personally find the most satisfying, is the aspirational category. It is the list of those goals which you find extremely outrageous, which really scare the shit out of you, which according to your current situation is almost impossible. And that is something that I like to envisage in my aspirational goals category. I'll share an interesting story with you. Way back in 2015 when I lost my job, I had specifically written that down, that in 3 to 4 years of time, I will have a big massive office of myself. And at that time in 2015, this reality seemed impossible. And when I was writing it down, I was almost laughing on myself that currently I don't even have a company and I don't have any resources or any money to build something. But in 4 months, it actually happened. So in the aspirational category, I write all those things down, which can be considered wishful thinking, which can be considered dreams, but somewhere down the line, I would want to achieve it. And let me tell you something, that whatever I have written in that aspirational category, there is a strange way of that universe works, that all of them always come true. And that's the reason I call my sheet as a magic sheet, because I know that if I write it down, somewhere in the future, I'll know something would happen that I will ensure that that thing happens. So that thing happens with me. That's why I said that it's purely magical. So write your aspirational goals down. For me, my aspirational goals was to start a company, to have an X number of people working for me, to build an office, to take a house at a certain place, to have my own dream car. I'm driven by those things, and different people are driven by different things. So in the aspirational category, write those things down, and that's category number 4. Now, the most important things in setting your goals is that you need to set a deadline. Because if the goals don't have a deadline, you are operating in eternity, that one fine day I will finish it. No, you can't do that. You got to set a deadline, and those deadline has to be crisp. They need to be realistic so that you are always motivated, and you need to evaluate whether I had a set deadline, what are the things I did not do because of which that goal was not met. Now there's this famous vlogger called Nas Daily. He set a deadline for himself that he will make 1,000 videos in 1,000 days. And it was shocking to himself when he said that the moment he set that deadline and he knew that now he has to make 1000 videos. So every single day he could ask himself that how many videos are left for him. And for me also personally, whatever goals that I write a very specific deadline. That can be a daily deadline, that can be a weekly, monthly or an annual deadline. And when that year ends, I genuinely evaluate my own performance. Now, I need to ask this question to everybody, like if you're working in an organization, they tend to evaluate your performance, right? On a professional level. So why can't you create a similar metric for yourself? Because if you start evaluating yourself, you will see what are the things that you have done well and what are the things that you have not done well. And when you set a deadline, you will know that I need to complete a certain task by this time. And if you haven't done it, you will question yourself. And if you have done it, you can celebrate it. Now, I firmly believe this, that if post this video, people genuinely start writing their goals, I want to tell you this, that you would be surprised that in 6 months or a year or a year's time, the things that start to begin to happen with you. Because most people's problems is that they watch something extremely motivating and they don't do anything, right? Motivation is as good if you take action for it once you get motivated. So post this video today, take a pen and a piece of paper and a pen, or take your computer and start writing your goals. Because the moment you start writing your goals, you will see massive change in your overall mental state, number one. And in future, once you're genuinely able to achieve it, there will be no more, you will be extremely proud of yourself. Write your goals, guys. So we are trying to make some valuable content for everybody. It will be amazing that if you like this video, subscribe, try to share it with people, try to tell the world that it is extremely important to write your deadlines and write your goals down. And always remember, you got to stay motivated no matter how difficult the situation is. Thank you so much, guys. Peace out.